welcome to my YouTube channel All Children Can Learn. Today I am going to show you the lesson that is reduced for standard 9th Science and Technology for this year, that is 2020 and 21. I'll be showing you the portion of that PDF format also which we had got from Maharashtra board. So just see that also. It has been written mostly in Marathi. You can see the lesson name here, Gatiche Niyam. The page number also is given and the column, and what is not going to come, जैसे कि सांगा पाहू, try this, करून पहा, try this, जरा विचार करा. Okay, then हे नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा, keep this. Then जरा डोकं चालवा, that is use your brain power. So this all mostly this is not going to come for your exam. So that is there in your textbook. So I'll be showing it to you directly in the textbook, but I'll show you this PDF format also. You can see just once the PDF format. So this is the lesson, first lesson, and the page number they have given which is just not there. This is the second lesson also. You can see mostly what they have been reduced, that is vichar करावा सांगा, करून पहा, try this, we can say, जरा डोकं चालवा, that is use your brain power. So then परिचय शास्त्र ज्ञानाचा, that is साइंटिस्ट का जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है हर एक बॉक्सेस में, like you can see each and every lessons we have some introduction about the scientists, like we come to know about some scientists they have given. So that is not there. So this all mostly that has been removed. The lesson is not deleted in anything, only in between the lessons between you can see the brain power is not there. Okay, try this is not there. So then this all will be reduced. Like you can see here, the lesson wise it is written only in Marathi. So you can see the 5th lesson, 6th lesson, 7th, everything is in Marathi. So this also you can see in that YouTube channel. Whenever you want, you can open this and just see the page number also. Okay, carbon and carbon compounds you can see here till here. This is the 18th lesson. You can see all has been given in Marathi only. Okay, so now we'll just go to our textbook and just mark it out what are not there for your exam for this year, coming this year. See here, that is law of motion, page number 1. Can you tell? Okay, can you tell only, that is given here. In each and every lesson you will be having the starting can you tell. So can you tell only here they have given, that is in Marathi they have written सांगा पाहू. Okay, can you tell, सांगा पाहू, गतीचे नियम. So in English गतीचे नियम is what? Laws of motion. Marathi it is written गतीचे नियम, but in English the chapter name is laws of motion. Can you tell? So this is not there, you have to mark it. Then let's try this, it's not there. Think about it, page number 1. Then page number 2, use your brain power. So wherever use your brain power is there, so that because actually from this you get the objective type questions, you get it from this. So again this is not there. Then always remember, this column is also not there, page number 2. In page number 3, always remember, again you can see the last part. Then again page number 4, let's try this experiment, this also is not there. Related to this you will not get any question answers like. Then again use your brain power, page number 5. Page number 6, again use your brain power. Page number 7 you have to do all. Page number 8 again you have to do all. 9 also there is, see again let's try this is not there. Then page number 10, try out and think about it. So this from here, that is 1 2 3 4 5, all the points has been cancelled. Then page number 11, example 1, example 1 2 3 and 4, all the 4 examples has been cancelled here. Let me check once, that is page number 11. You can cross check again page number 11, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 they have given. So just find it out, because here they have given 1 and 2. page number 12, nothing is there. Page number 13, let's try this, you have to cancel. Page number 14, use your brain power and let's try this, is not there. Page number 15, you have to do all. 16 also again. 17, 18, again use your brain power. Page number 18. Page number 19, you have to do all. Page number 20, again think before your answer. This 5 question answers is not there. Then page number 21, the whole experiment, that is try this, and related to that some questions are given, that is not there. Page number 21, institute at work. So this text box also you don't have to do like. Then next year solved examples you have to do, page number 22. 23, again the last one, that is use your brain power. In 24, try this, is not there. 25, again see try this, it's not there, but above you can see in the dark letter, law of conservation of energy you have to learn. Then next 27, an introduction to scientists. So in each and every page the introduction to scientists also has been deleted, it's been reduced, it is not deleted like for this year, it has been reduced. Now page number 29, the project is also not there. Then again we'll go to the third chapter, that is current electricity. Page number 30, this experiment on potential and potential difference, so this has been reduced. Again in page number 32, introduction to scientist and do you know. Actually do you know, this comes for formula like fill in the blanks type, it comes 1 millivolt and 1 kilovolt, what is the value of that. But this is not for this year, so that means you don't do it, but at least you just go through that exactly what it is like. ऐसे information के लिए आप रख सकते हो, पढ़ सकते हो. Page number 33, do you know, again has been reduced. Page number 34, the small blue box you can see physical state, so that is not there. Then again introduction to scientists. Then page number 35, think about it, is not there. Then again here page number 35, observe and write your answer, it's not there. Page number 36, here see the whole page has been cancelled, symbols of the components is not there, and here try this is not there. Okay, next you have conductor and insulator, you have to write about that. Then here page number 37, again try this is not there. Then here solved example, that is page number 38, first and third is not there. Okay, second and fourth will be there. Using ICT again is not there. Then do you know, again has been cancelled. Page number 41, do you know is again cancelled. Page number 42, all is there. Page number 43, domestic electrical connection is not there. Then the last one, that is precaution to be taken while using electricity, also is not there. But you can just read this, because this is very important paragraph, where at least you should know how to take the precautions while using electricity. So this is given as just information like you can keep for yourself. Then page number 44 is you have to do all, it's like related to questions, answers are there. Then page number 45, the project is not there. Now we'll go to the new chapter, that is measurement of matter, the fourth chapter. The starting, can you recall, again has been reduced. 47, an introduction to scientists is not there, page number 47. Page number 48, verification of law of constant proportion. Then can you recall has been reduced. Page number 49, the last rectangle box what they have given, the table is not there. Then page number 50, can you tell. And here in page number 50, just mark it out, the molecules of elements and compounds is not there, and I make a list of elements that exist in monoatomic and diatomic molecule state, that also is not there. Then page number 51, try this, think about it, and can you tell has been reduced. Then page number 52, always remember. Page number 53, can you recall, and science capsule, this column is not there. Then again here one more rectangular box, that is National Chemical Laboratory, that is NCL. About this also that information has been reduced. Now again in page number 54, always remember and research has been reduced. Then again page number 55, can you tell, use your brain power, and using ICT. Website information is not there, page number 55. Page number 56, the whole table, that is basic radicals and acidic radicals is not there. Page number 57, you have to do all the question answers. Page number we'll go to the next new chapter, that is acid, bases and salt. can you recall, and the whole table is not there. Page number 58, the whole page has been reduced, and that has been continued in page number 59, the first two lines, so that you have to cancel. Then the last, that is page number 59, can you recall, again has been removed. Use your brain power, again page number 60. Then 62, use your brain power. Page number 66, always remember, use your brain power, try this. Page number 66 has been removed. Page number 67, use your brain power. Page number 69, again this rectangle box is not there. Page number 70, you have to do all. Page number 71 also you have to do all. Page number 72, always remember and use your brain power. Then page number 73, research has been reduced. Then rest all the question answers you have to do. Even the project, I think so it's been not cancelled, but you have to do that project even in school if they are giving you. Then page number 6, classification of plants and introduction to scientists, that is there in page number 75, that has been reduced. So if you have seen from starting as we are going on marking, introduction to scientists, use your brain power, can you tell, okay, try this, recall, so these all are related to that, it's not there. So mainly like you have to read your textbook very neatly, clearly, and the question answers whatever is there in your textbook. Then observe, ये cryptograms का जो observe दिया है ये नहीं है. Then next, यहाँ पे again observe and discuss, page number 76, and page number 77, use your brain power. Page number 78, again try this, is not there. Then page number 79, again this dicotyledon plants and monocotyledon plant, and here this kingdom of plantae is there, using ICT is not there. This all will be there. Then next 7th chapter, that is energy flow in an ecosystem, the first one, looking back, that is can you recall, is not there. Then 81, again use your brain power. Then 82, use your brain power. Then introduction to scientist. Then 83, think about it and use your brain power, it is reduced. Again in 83, down bottom also they have given same, use your brain power and institute at work, so it has been reduced. This all is the 84. Then in page number 85, again the main process in the carbon cycle and do you know and think about it has been cancelled. Then 86, you can see again do you know. 87, you have to do all. Page number 88, a new chapter, that is useful and harmful microbes, use your brain power and do you know has been cancelled. Then use of lactobacilli, even this has been removed, and research is not there. Activity, again here let's try this, it's not there in page number 90. Page number 91, again do you know and use your brain power, and here institute at work, page number 91. Page number 92, cautions and introduction to scientist and wonderful to know, so this all has been removed. In page number 93, an introduction to scientists again. Then page number 94, the spread and the prevention of diseases, the whole table has been reduced. Then use your brain power is not there. Then this all exercise you have to do. Then 9th chapter, that is environmental management, 96 you have to do. 97, see the importance of weather in living world has been, the table, the whole table has been removed. 97. 98, again institute at work and using ICT is not there. 99, again always remember. Then 100, do you know. Then 101, the read the following table carefully and what do you notice, again it's not there. 102, using ICT. 103, you have to do all. 104, again one table has been removed, and here peep into the past, this also has been removed. Then 105, you have to do all. See here, this is a very important part, artificial breathing, what you will do, the first aid, like, so this you have to do. 106 is there all. 107, find out is not there, fire extinguisher is a portable appliance, that's not the exercise, all you have to do. 10th chapter, that is information communication technology, complete the table and find out is not there. 108. Then we'll go to 109, again you have to do all. 110 also, mostly this is related to computer, you should know about it, so this all is there. 112. 113, institute at work is not there, so the whole exercise you have to do. Then 11th one, that is reflection of light, again can you recall, and the first paragraph, the first two paragraph is not there, it's been cancelled. Then an introduction to scientist again is removed, Can you recall is not there. 115. What are the laws of reflection of light? 115. This is not there. Actually this answer is there, like we have to search it and write. So again नहीं है ये lesson में, तो ठीक है चल. 115. And then 116 again, can you tell? This too is not there. Then again here try this में, see here try this is not there, and here again you can see discussion relationship. Till here check it with the number of images. Till C you have to mark at page number 117. 118 you have to do all. 119 also concave and convex mirror you have to do all. 120 again. 121, 22, 23, 24, there is no any cancellation. Page number 25, uses of concave and convex mirror has been removed. 125. Then 126 you have to do all. 127 again, always remember, is been cancelled. Now we'll go to chapter that is study of sound. Study of sound again. 128, research is not there. 129 again, try this has been cancelled. 130, a peep in the past is not there. Then here use of ultrasonic sound and reflection of sound is not there. Page number 131. Page number 132, use your brain power is not there, and science in the surrounding is not there. Compare the two cases. Page number 132 is again removed. Page number 133, use your brain power. Then 134, find out and always remember again is removed. Then 135, always remember. Then 136, see the example number 3 is not there, and example 1 and 2 you have to do. Example 3 is not there, and the down part, the box which is given the sonar technology, that is not there. The whole exercise you have to do. Then we'll go to the 13th chapter, that is carbon, an important element. The first 3 question answers as well as try this. Okay, can you recall and try this is not there. Can you tell, again it's not there. Then introduction to scientists also, again it's not there. Then science capsule, this answer is also will be reduced from here. 139. Then 140, again you can see a peep into past is not there. Then try this again, the apparatus and procedure, the experiment type, it's not there. 141. Properties and uses is a very important one. Molecules and fluorine, ये सब आपको करना है. 143, you have to do all. 144, again use your brain power and try this, an apparatus procedure. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का again try this जो है experiment, वो आपको नहीं करना है. Page number 145, the last one, that is use your brain power, again has been cancelled. 147, all is a. 148, using ICT. 149, you have to do all. 14th chapter, that is substance in common uses, again can you recall is cancelled. And again the first 2 paragraph, that is we use various and the substances in our daily life, has been cancelled. Do you know, again has been removed. Page number 150, try this, that whole table has been removed. Then 151, do you know is cancelled, reduce. Research is reduced in 152. The last one, find out, is again been reduced. 153, all you have to do. 154 also you have to do all. 155, an introduction to scientist has been reduced. Again down also one more introduction to scientist is given. 155, that has been reduced. Here this all you have to do, alpha, beta and gamma rays आपको पर करना है. Then यहाँ पे 156 में natural radioactivity and artificial has been removed here. Then here radioactive isotopes are used in various fields as follows, so that no need to learn, that is not there. Page number 157. But hazardous of radioactive substances and radiation is there, you have to learn that. Then again a peep into past is removed. Always remember, page number 158. Page number 159, the last one, find out and try this, is not there. Again in 160, can you tell. 161, again this is how a ceramic article is made. Then we'll go to the lesson, that is the life process in living organism. 163, 164, you have to do all. 165, the oak tree release about 1,51,000 liters of water into the air. So this is not there. Do you know? This is just for your knowledge, you can just read it out like. Then 165, always remember, is not there. 167, you have to do all. 168, use your brain power, is not there. 169, again do you know, is not there. 170, again do you know, has been removed. Then 172, can you tell. 173 you have to do all. 174 find out is removed. 175 again you have to do all. 76, that's all you have to learn. Now hereditary and variation, page number 16. See here 180, find out number of chromosomes in different organisms. So this also is not there. 181, this all is there, DNA. And then here page number 183, seeds of technology is not there. This paragraph, see again I'll show you. Seeds of technology, 183 page number. Then 184 again a introduction of scientists is not there. 184. Then 185 you have to do all. 186 again you have to do all. 187 here see one use your brain power they have given, so that is not there. Then 188 again you have to do all the pages. 89, 90, 190 you have do you know, you have to cancel that. 91, 92, this all you have to do, all the exercise you have to do. Introduction to biotechnology, 94, 95, 195 do you know, so you have to cancel that. Do you know, at least you can revise it for your, just for the knowledge, like 199. See here again, can you recall and try. Can you recall you have to do, try this you have to cancel. In some lesson, can you recall they have not cancelled, so just see carefully and mark it out, because that is written in the Marathi. So Marathi also I have shown you in the video. So if you feel any mistakes, like you can go through that also. If you have done any mistake, you can go through that pages. But mostly an introduction to scientists is not there. So page number 203 you can see introduction to scientists has been reduced. Find out 204 that has been reduced. 205 में again using ICT वो निकाला गया है. Then 206 find out again is been removed. All the exercise you have to do. Now we have come to the next chapter, that is observing space telescope. 209, 210, 211 you can see in India we have several telescopes that has been removed. 213 in 99 National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and here this too has been removed. This all rest you have to do. Okay, so we have completed with the science, both science 1 and science 2 you have one textbook. So we have shown you all the portion that has been reduced for you for this year, that is 2020 and 21. Thank you children for watching this video, and please be connected with my channel and just go through with that Marathi written also PDF once. Okay, bye, thank you.